Hello everyone. So in this lecture we are going to discuss the questions from ring theory. So this question is from NET JRF December 2015 and question number is 82. And question is A is a quotient ring of Qx by x cube. Then we have to identify A has exactly 3 proper ideal. Second option, there is only one prime ideal of A, and third option is A is an integral domain, and D option is if f and g belongs to Qx and f bar g bar member of A such that f bar into g bar is 0, then f0 into g0 must be a 0. Now in a given question, let R is ring Q of x. Since Q is field, so Qx must be principal ideal domain, and we know that in a principal ideal domain every non-zero maximal ideal is generated by irreducible element, or every irreducible element generates a maximal ideal, and every non-zero prime ideal is maximal, or maximal ideals are prime ideals. So where I is ideal which is generated by x cube and x cube is a reducible element, so implies this ideal is neither prime nor maximal. So this is neither prime ideal nor maximal ideal, and since this is neither maximal ideal nor prime ideal, so R by I is neither integral domain nor field. Since if R is CRU and R by I is integral domain, then I must be a prime ideal, so which will be a contradiction. So your C option definitely false option. A is an integral domain. Now come to D option. In D option, given that f and g belonging to Qx, so let f of x is a0 plus a1x up to an xn, and g of x is something b0 plus b1x up to something b of k xk. Now f bar, which is same as f plus I because member of A, and g bar, which can be written as g plus I since member of A. Extra information is f bar into g bar is 0, that is equal to I, because 0 in A is I, implies f into g plus I should be equal to I, implies f into g must be member of I, and I is generated by x cube, so f into g must be equal to x cube into some polynomial qx. So this implies the constant term in f into g must be 0. Coefficient of x also 0. Coefficient of x square is also 0. Now constant term in f into g is a0 into b0. It should be 0, and a0 is obviously f0 and b0 is obviously g0. Hence f0 into g0 must be 0 whenever f bar g bar is 0. So here D option is correct and C option is incorrect. So now come to first and second option. In first option we have to count the proper ideal, and second option we have to count the prime ideals. So we have a property, if R is any ring and I is an ideal. So if R is an ring and I is an ideal, then the ideals of R by I are always of the form J by I, where J is ideal of R and I obviously contained in J. So the ideal of a quotient ring is always of the form J by I, where J is ideal of R and I contained in J. Now based on this, we have R is equal to Q of x and I is ideal which is generated by x cube. So the ideals of R by I can be of the form J by I type, and where J is ideal of R, that is Qx. Now Qx is PID, so every ideal must be a principal ideal and I must contained in J. So in this case the ideal in which all the polynomial which are multiple of x cube which already contained in J, and J is a principal ideal, so this obviously implies J can be generated by constant term, J can be generated by x. So say this is J1 and this is J2, and J can be generated by x square and J can be generated by x cube. Since J must contain I, so possible choices for J is exactly 4, and corresponding to every J there is an ideal J by I of R by I. So hence there are exactly 4 ideal, and out of these 4 there is these 3 ideals are proper: J by I1, J2 by I1, J3 by I, and J4 by I. These all 3 are proper ideal of A. So your first option definitely true. There are exactly 3 proper ideal. Now come to prime ideal. So if we will define J1 by I, so it is obviously Qx by I. So which one is not proper ideal? Next, J2 by I. If we will write down the definition of J2 by I, so it is I plus some polynomial of J2. Now polynomial of J2 must be a multiple of x. So this is x into Q of x. Qx is a member of Qx, and the polynomial in I is a multiple of x cube. So this can be written as a naught plus, sorry, x into a naught, x square into a1, and remaining term all merge into I. So this equal plus I, and a naught a1 belongs to Q. Similarly, if we will write down J3 by I, so this is a1 or a naught x square plus I. Since J3 is generated by x square, so this term is x square into qx, and x cube, all term of x cube are merged in I. So this must be a naught into I, a naught into x square plus I, and a naught belongs to Q. Similarly, if we will write down J4 by I, obviously J4 is generated by x cube, so J4 and I are same, so this is only trivial ideal. So these are only 3 proper ideal of A. Now J4 by I is already contained in J3 by I, or J3I is already contained in J2 by I, but J2 by I is a proper ideal of R by R, but it does not properly contained in any other proper ideal. So J2 by I is maximal ideal. And since in a CRU maximal ideal is always prime ideal, so this one must be a prime ideal. Now we have to verify whether J3 by I and J4 by I are maximal or not. If we will take I plus x, which it does not belongs to J3 by I, but I plus x into I plus x belonging to J3 by I. That is, A into B belongs to J by I, but A and B does not belong to J by I. Hence, J3 by I is not prime ideal. Similarly, J4 by I is also not a prime ideal. Hence, there is exactly one prime ideal J2 by I, and remaining all are not prime ideal. So this concept you can generalize for any case. If we have a ring R which is a Qx by ideal generated by x to the power n, or in general fx by this one, then in this quotient ring number of ideals are exactly n plus 1, and proper ideals are exactly n. Number of maximal or prime ideal are exactly one prime ideal or maximal ideal, and the dimension of a vector space R over F must be a vector space, and the dimension of this vector space is exactly n plus 1, or exactly n dimension. Since the polynomial of degree x to the power n merge into x to the power n, so this must be something a naught into a1 x into an minus 1 x to the power n. So these are 3 important concepts. Based on these 3, your first, second and fourth option are correct, and third option must be a incorrect option.